Put it over. You're putting it in the road. Because you're doing it wrong.
Hey guys, good morning. Today me and JJ decided to go for breakfast, but today's not a day you want to be outside in Canada because it's like a snowstorm today, and right now you can see the snow is falling. But we always were planning to go for breakfast, and today's the day that we decide. And believe it or not, this weather is not going to stop us, because if we allow this weather in Canada to prevent you from doing what you want to do, you will never get anywhere. Okay, so right now JJ's upstairs. You know, ladies, they take forever to get ready, so she's like, oh babe, can you go downstairs and heat up the car? And that's gonna be a problem, because now the car can't start. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Guys, I come on here to start this video and there's a huge problem. It's so cold outside, I can't get the car start. Look. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to call her. This is ridiculous. Guys, can you believe this? Like, we already shower and dress and come down. Well, babe, she's still upstairs. And I'm calling her now. Hey, babe.
Hi.
I can't get the car start.
Why?
I don't know.
Call Hopeton.
Yeah, are you coming downstairs now?
Yeah.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi. My youth, where there? Yo, you jump a cable, man. I can't get the car start. I don't know if we need like a new battery or anything. I don't know wrong with the car. Yeah. Well, guys. Look. So much for going for breakfast. Let's hope to right here. How are you there? Look at that. It's a Hope Time. Say something for the camera, Hope Time.
Pick up yourself, you don't know Chanel B. No. You catch me
Off guard. So yeah, this is where the car park. This is what we were telling you guys. Car park outside.
Like this thing I charge.
Hope that somebody win the lotto max, you know? Okay. Up and running.
Yeah,
thanks, Hopeton.
Big up yourself, YouTube.
Yeah. Guys, see how hard it is to drive in the snow? Okay. You don't have winter tires.
Vlogging starts now. So look, I can see. Oh yes. Oh, it's so bright. Yeah. All right, we're gonna start vlogging in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I made it outside the house. Okay. My hair is tucked in, can't get wet, or else the curls will drop. Okay, so, oh god, this vlog is basically, can't even see. This was a mistake. It happened all wrong. You know, this is a struggle channel, so you already know. If you've seen on my live earlier, then you already know the story. If you have not seen the live yet, go watch it. It was posted this morning. Where else the outside is dangerous. Where is Courtney? Oh god, Jesus. has to cut, like, I cannot. Oh God. Shit. The snow hurts. That's the thing. Look at this lady. She's backwards. Because the snow hurts. The snow legit hurts when it touches your face. Oh, Jesus. Percy! With the camera! With the Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. Ah. Oh, God. Oh. Courtney is now cleaning off the car that could not start earlier. Okay. You'll see us on the road just now, guys. Welcome to the Struggle Channel. Hi. This is bad, guys. Like, you can't even see the road. This is the life of Canadians. Alright guys, I'll let you guys go until we get it to until we get to the breakfast spot, okay?
Breakfast at 1:30.
Alright, Courtney, yes, you look dry. Real dry. Let me just zoom out, yeah? So we have made it to our favorite breakfast spot. Tell them where we are.
Pan and Gio's. Pan and Gio's. Yeah, Pan and...
Courtney, really?
Huh? Pan and Gio's.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Pan and Gio's all day bread. Our favorite spot.
Oh, why did it take him so long just to say that? Like, please, oh God. See what the hood does? The weather just brings out my hair.
Like a drive that will usually take us like 10 minutes. It's like
forever to get here.
Yeah. Everyone was sliding on the road. Oh, you pick up my hair.
Yes. But yeah, we're gonna eat. Let's just take a look at the menu, okay? Let's see what your girl's gonna eat. I'm starving. I should have known this from a long time since I practically know the menu. And then Gio. Okay guys, after our wait, our food is here.
Dig in.
Okay, I got a burger. Courtney actually got breakfast food because it's just a different time of day. So I'm gonna show you my food.
I like your burger.
Courtney doesn't like this. Oh, look how good these fries look. Ooh, burger. With the side of fruit, y'all. Courtney's food, he got a burrito.
Yeah.
With potatoes on the side, with fruit on the side.
Coke.
And his classic Coke. You ready to eat? Dig in. Tell me how it tastes. Hot. Tastes good? Alright, it's time. No, I don't want any. Thank you. Taste the fries first.
The fries are long.
Fries are hot. I'm so greedy. I'm hungry and I'm greedy. Fries are good, actually.
Can I taste one?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try the Coke?
Okay.
That is so hot.
So I already took a bite because I couldn't wait as soon as I put the camera down. But I'm gonna take a bite for you guys. It's so big. I can't. Let's look at it, okay? Someone off the finger.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Look at that. are done. Finished the food. Look. Well, I finished mine. Courtney, on the other hand, his eye bigger than his belly. And now we're just getting the bill. Hey, yeah, can we just get the bill, please? Yes, please. One box is okay? One. Thank you. So, we literally came in the car, and as Courtney was gonna wipe off the snow off the car, I went to go start the car, and Courtney?
Same thing like before.
What happened?
You wanna start?
The car won't start at all. I wonder if these people have jumper cables.
So guys, now we're literally sitting in a freezing cold car. Like even though when JJ was like, oh, the car wouldn't start, I actually cleaned off the glass, but we're sitting here like for 5-10 minutes now, and now we can't see anything outside again.
Look, this is what we see outside, okay? Courtney literally just cleaned off the glass, okay? And look at it. Look, you can't see.
Press the button.
Oh yeah, so when I try and start the car, oh my god. Before the radio came on, now the radio's not even coming on. So that should just tell you guys that the car is frozen. We're gonna go get a new battery as soon as we get the car jump started again. And obviously we called our friend Hopton again to come and bail us out. Obviously he's a good friend and we really appreciate him so much.
It's at 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Gotta wait. That's all we could do because no one's trying to help us in this parking lot. So
what? Remember JJ told you guys it was a struggle child? You guys thought she was lying.
Oh Nana, what's her name? It's Janelle. Come struggle with me.
Remember?
Yo, this is the most struggle vlog ever. Oh my gosh. Couldn't make it to the destination. Now that we made it to the destination, we can't even leave the destination. Courtney, you're gonna have to run in, grab that battery, come back, because I'm not turning off this car again. It not gonna work. I'll let you know when Hopton comes and saves the day again for a second time today. Hopton is here, guys. Courtney is now trying to take off the snow. Car's frozen. Don't know how we're gonna get it to start, but hopefully by the boost that Hopton's gonna give us, you can't even see. This is ridiculous. Wow. Okay guys, stay tuned. It is. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Yes, hold on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. The car started. Yay! There's Hopton. Okay. Back again. So as you know, Hopton came and saved the day yet again. And so now look, the car is cleaned off. And now we are at Canadian Tire, so he could go to the auto part right there and get us a battery. Now, the only thing is, who's gonna put in this battery, boo? I can't believe this happened. Okay, actually I can. I know it's a struggle, that's why. I know it's a struggle, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that blue button, the thumbs up, to like this video. And hit that notification bell so anytime that I post, you'll get it first. Thank you for supporting me so much. I really appreciate you guys. I do. I do.
Is it guy stuck there? How did he get over there?
How did he get there?
Oh, he probably went over there and stuck, and then they cleaned the road. Bro, stop taking your foot off the edge. Like cleaning the road. JJ is swinging in the road.
Where am I going? She not see some snow up on the floor. She can't turn short corner. Alright guys, this is basically how it looks in Canada when it's snowing.
I'll park it in the visitors or something.
I told Courtney to go and put these gloves on. Courtney go put on some rinky-dink gloves and I bet he's gonna come back and say his hand freeze. Guess who has to shovel our parking spot because the car legit got stuck trying to go there. And he didn't believe me. Courtney wanted me to just drive in with the snow and I told him from before, I think we're gonna have to shovel the driveway. He said no, park the car. Now guess who's outside a shovel snow? Courtney, you need the next gloves, boo. That's not gonna help you.
I need help.
There's only one shovel. You're doing it wrong. Put it to that way. Courtney, put it over. You're putting it in the road. Cause you're doing it wrong. Sometimes men should just listen to the woman. Go on, shovel, yeah. Yo, Courtney legit looks like Sanka. Just watch, hold on. Look at him. Yo. Look. Oh, Jesus. You're not gonna kill me. Oh, he did a good job. Yes. Yes, Courtney. Wow, look how you pack up the people them. Look at Courtney. Courtney does not care. Look what he did. Look what he did to the people them car. This is really bad. I gotta turn off the camera because it's getting too wet. Yes, walk now. Oh, okay. Courtney. Huh? Turn around. Let me get a good look. Just stop now.
My toes are freezing out.
Stop now.
Huh?
Just take a look at Courtney. The snow is stuck on his socks. Yeah. I'm actually dead.
My toes are frozen.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Just in time because the battery's about to die. We made it back home. Courtney, you want to say something?
Huh?
Hurry up before the phone dies. I mean the camera dies.
I did this for you guys.
Alright, with that being said guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, hit that blue button.
Ring that bell, subscribe, share it, have a laugh.
Because it was a struggle today. Bye!